Hi, and welcome to Learn English with Stories. Today, we're covering 50 essential IT vocabulary words that can help you in tech conversations, job interviews, or just keeping up with the latest in technology. Let's dive right in. Algorithm: a set of instructions to solve a problem or perform a task. The program uses an algorithm to sort data quickly. Application: software designed to perform specific tasks for the user. I downloaded a new application for photo editing. Backup: a copy of data stored separately to prevent data loss. It's important to keep a backup of your files. Bandwidth: the amount of data that can be transmitted in a fixed period. Higher bandwidth allows for faster internet speeds. Bug: an error or flaw in software that causes unexpected behavior. The developer fixed a bug that was causing crashes. Cache: temporary storage that helps speed up access to frequently used data. Clearing the cache can help improve browser speed. Cloud: remote servers used to store, manage, and process data online. We store our files in the cloud for easy access anywhere. Code: a set of instructions written in a programming language. She wrote code to automate data entry. Compiler: a tool that converts code into machine-readable instructions. The compiler helped us identify errors in the code. Cybersecurity: protection of computer systems from unauthorized access or attacks. Cybersecurity is crucial for protecting user data. Database: an organized collection of structured information. The database stores all user account information. Debugging: the process of finding and fixing errors in software code. Debugging can be time-consuming but necessary. Encryption: a method to secure data by converting it into a coded format. Encryption protects sensitive information from hackers. Firewall: a security system that monitors and controls incoming/outgoing traffic. The firewall blocked unauthorized access attempts. Frontend: the part of a website or app that users interact with. The front-end design needs to be user-friendly and responsive. Hardware: physical components of a computer system, like a keyboard or CPU. The IT team upgraded the computer hardware last week. HTML: a markup language used to create web pages. HTML is the backbone of website structure. HTTPS: a secure version of HTTP used for safe web browsing. Websites with HTTPS are safer for online transactions. IP address: a unique identifier assigned to each device on a network. Each computer on the network has a unique IP address. JavaScript: a programming language used to create interactive web elements. JavaScript makes websites more dynamic and interactive. Malware: software designed to harm or disrupt computers. Antivirus software helps protect against malware attacks. Network: a group of connected computers that share resources. The Office network allows easy file sharing between employees. Open source: software that is freely available for anyone to use or modify. Many developers contribute to open source projects. Operating system: software that manages computer hardware and software resources. Windows, macOS, and Linux are popular operating systems. Password: a secret code to access accounts or systems. Always create a strong password to protect your accounts. Patch: an update that fixes software bugs or vulnerabilities. The company released a patch to address the security issue. Plugin: a software add-on that adds extra features to an application. I installed a plugin to add more tools to my text editor. Protocol: A set of rules for data exchange between devices. HTTPS is a protocol that secures communication on the Internet. RAM. Short-term memory used by a computer to store data temporarily. Adding more RAM can speed up your computer's performance. Router. A device that directs data between computer networks. The router connects all devices in the home to the Internet. Script. A small program that automates tasks. A script runs every night to back up our files. Server. A computer or system that provides data to other computers. The website is hosted on a secure server. Software. Programs and applications that run on a computer. She installed new software to edit videos. Spam. Unwanted or irrelevant messages, usually emails. My inbox is full of spam messages from unknown senders. SQL. A programming language used to manage databases. SQL is commonly used for database queries. Storage. Where data is saved on a device, such as a hard drive. This computer has a lot of storage space for files. Syntax. Rules that define the structure of code in a programming language. Errors often happen if the syntax is incorrect. Token. A digital key that grants access to secure systems or data. The app uses a token for secure user authentication. Upload. To send data from your device to another location, like a server. I need to upload my project files to the cloud. URL. The address of a specific web page on the Internet. Type the URL in the browser to visit the website. User interface, UI. The part of a system that users interact with. A good UI makes the software easy to use. Virus. Malicious code that harms or disrupts systems. My computer got a virus from downloading an unsafe file. VPN. A virtual network that creates a secure connection over the Internet. Many people use a VPN for online privacy. Web browser. Software used to access websites on the Internet. Google Chrome is a popular web browser. Wi-Fi. A wireless technology for connecting to the Internet. We have a strong Wi-Fi signal in the office. XML, a markup language used to store and transport data. XML files are often used for data exchange between systems. Zip file. A compressed file format that reduces file size. I saved all my photos in a zip file to send by email. Code editor. A tool for writing and editing code. Visual Studio Code is a popular code editor. Domain. The address where a website can be found. The company's domain is easy to remember. Framework. A collection of tools and libraries for software development. We use a framework to build apps faster and more efficiently. Great work! Now you have 50 new IT terms to add to your English skills. Try using these words in tech discussions or studying them to boost your confidence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep learning with us. See you in the next video.